Welcome at Beyond the Tunnel Vision. The initiative to organize a European conference on tunnel renovation originated from the awareness that many European tunnels are aging and need major renovations. These tunnels fulfill a key functionality in the transport network of Europe. Therefore, there is a great need to preserve this functionality, and this calls for a collaborative, demand-driven innovation program for the next 10 years. In the process of devising this program, the Beyond the Tunnel Vision Conference is an important stepping stone. It will set the directions. We will start with a strategic roundtable discussion with decision makers from public infrastructure and representatives from the European Commission, the industry and supporting research organizations. After this dialogue, we will highlight all the relevant themes for the upcoming years. High-level guests from all over Europe will join us in the studio to share ideas and discuss solutions. This way we are already building a network of both experts and countries. Bring your own tunnel and join our network. That is our call for action. To get you started, the conference will continue with in-depth sessions about every theme. These are broadcasted from 7 different countries. Each host will give you 4 speakers and an overall discussion. To build up your appetite, each national host will now pitch their highlights. Let's start with Austria. Tunnel safety and security are challenged by changing demands from society, such as smart mobility and low-carbon energy. In what context will the tunnel owner operate their tunnels in the future, and how do we prepare them for that? This theme is hosted by Austria.
Welcome to Innsbruck, welcome to the Austrian Tunnel Safety Parallel Session. If you're interested in operational safety, please join us. We are talking about regulations, about innovations, about latest tests with regards to fire of new energy carriers in tunnels, and also about the vision paper which we created together with the experts from PIAC and ID COSUF. So looking forward to welcoming you there. See you then.
Now to Italy. What is the residual life of a tunnel? This is one of the main challenges for owners of both road and rail tunnels. Inspection, investigation and monitoring during service life are important tools to answer this question. Italy, one of the largest tunneling countries in Europe, hosts this theme.
Hello everybody. We are looking forward to discuss about inspection, investigation and monitoring during tunnel service life. I believe that to debate and share knowledge and best practices about this topic is really important because, as for European countries, we have often to manage and operate tunnels that have been built since 19th century, probably using wood for planning and masonry and bricks for final lining. And the need to industrialize the maintenance process and eventually the rehabilitation work is an issue. So I invite you to join the 6th session. See you there then.
Now to France. The renovation task can also be seen as an opportunity to add value to our infrastructure by reducing energy consumption, work on circularity and make innovations happen. This theme is hosted by France.
Hello, I'm Eric Pranat from CETU. I would like to invite you to the French parallel session on sustainability. Key points to be addressed will be criteria for a sustainable approach, how a refurbishment project can be used to give a new function to a tunnel and promote sustainable modes of transport, how to reduce energy consumption through lighting innovations. We really look forward to engaging in live discussions with the entire tunnel community on the 27th of November.
Next is Belgium. What are the challenges for infrastructure management? And how can we grow towards a professional asset management organization? And what are the insights yet available? Let's go to Belgium to hear about their theme session.
I'm Elvira Hazendonk from the Vrije Universiteit Brussels. And for the Belgian session, we hope to have an interesting discussion with you on strategic infrastructure asset management. We will have presentations on the BIM application at the Flemish government, but also on the optimal program for optimized life cycles and on a holistic framework for tunnel safety. Hope to see you in our session.
Let's go to the Netherlands. What is the scope of a tunnel renovation? Let's build a toolbox for the tunnel owner to help him address uncertainties. This theme is hosted by the Netherlands.
Hello, I am Salah van der Woude of the Netherlands. And in the Netherlands we chose the topic Toolbox of the Tunnel Owner. And in this parallel session we aim to have a lively discussion on what could be or should be in this toolbox. And the final aim is, of course, to improve the preparation of tunnel maintenance and refurbishment projects. We hope to see you at 3.
And now up to Norway. Digitalization can be seen as both an opportunity and a challenge. We see the possibilities, but how can we transform those possibilities into something that is both affordable and understandable? Let's go to Norway to hear about their theme.
Hello, I'm Groot from VIA, Vital Infrastructure Arena. I would like to invite you to the Norwegian Parallel Seminar on Digitalization. There are many benefits of digitalization of tunnels. We'll get better and more accessible information, smoother operations, better communication and better safety. We are looking forward to having live discussion about the benefits of digitalization with the entire tunnel community. See you soon.
And last, but certainly not least, Germany. New refurbishment techniques are necessary to keep our infrastructure available and safe during all phases of the life cycle. Good examples from both Europe and beyond are shown in this theme session hosted by Germany.
New refurbishment technologies, so what are we looking for? If you take a look around in Europe, you can see that most of the infrastructure that we right now have, especially the tunnels, are aging to a very significant and large extent. And we are looking for new technologies that enable us to keep up the availability of our infrastructure. So we are looking for you, and we are thinking that we are going to have a very interesting afternoon session. See you there.
So this was an overview of all our parallel sessions. But now it is time to start with our plenary broadcast from our studio. There is my co-host and dear friend Steve Phillips, Secretary General of the CEDAR organization. He will start with a strategic roundtable discussion to set the direction for the upcoming 10 years. See you all in the studio.